So iOS 16 just rolled out and everyone is crazy to upgrade their iPhones. That's why in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you why you shouldn't upgrade your iPhones to iOS 16, because it will probably make your iPhones explode. I was just kidding, it won't explode. But anyways, let's get right into it.
Audio Jungle.
Now, for those of you who are new here, my name is Alvin Alexa, and if you're new here, we always do tech videos and also like shopping deals and everything that is related to tech. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notifications for more info so that you don't miss out any new video that I always like publish. And this is a video for all of you who are from Africa and Asia, and here's why. So most of us, especially I'm from Uganda, and that's probably out in East Africa, so most of us in Uganda buy especially phones from Dubai and also some smartphones from China. And here's what Apple did in iOS 16. So I don't understand why or whether Apple is trying to eliminate third-party companies that do make accessories for their iPhones, and also third-party companies that do make iPhone replacement screens. But when you upgrade your iPhone now to iOS 16, and this is common for those owning iPhone X, iPhone 11, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, and the latest iPhone 14. Your screens won't work anymore, and if not so, it will just black out completely. And I haven't seen any YouTuber or other YouTubers talking about this. Anyways, most of them are from Europe, and also most of them who do reviews and their videos get recommended to us are from US. If you're from Africa or Asia, we probably know that we usually buy second-hand smartphones from Dubai or refurbished smartphones from other countries. Okay, so most of these smartphones don't come with their original screens, and almost most of them have replacement screens. And this also goes to those who just replace their iPhone screens in general. Now, if you don't know this, I work in a phone repair shop in a software department, and trust me, I've faced so many issues updating customers' smartphones to iOS 16. So when you update your iPhone to, like, I've tried this with many clients, like when I updated the iPhone to the latest iOS 16.0 in particular, because that's the only like software right now which is available. They haven't like got out like any software like maybe another update version of 6.1, 6.2, which is expected soon. Okay, so when you update your iPhone to iOS 16, the smartphones which have flash have just blacked out completely, or likely those which have survived with replacement screens, their touch sensors like doesn't work properly. I don't know if their touch sensors begin to misbehave. Like, I don't know if that's the correct terminology, but just know the screen won't work as it used to be. The touch will start misbehaving, its touch sensor begins to misbehave, which is not good. And also one thing that I've noticed while running iOS 16 on my iPhone XR is that it destroys fake accessories. For example, I bought these fake Airpods from Dubai. They've been working for me very well, and after updating like to iOS 16, their battery died instantly, and now they can't even work 10 minutes without shutting down themselves. I don't know if that's a software problem, I can't tell that very much, but my AirPods just started like the battery just died instantly. And my advice to you is that be careful while upgrading to iOS 16. And also, I don't know if Apple did this on intention to eliminate like third-party companies and also other fake products on the market. But just be careful when upgrading to iOS 16. And if you found this video informative, please make sure to smash the like button and also share it with friends. Make this message heard to other people, and yeah, most especially those in Africa, because we know those in Africa, those in India, because we know we usually repair our iPhones, and we don't usually like buy original stuff. We don't have standards like those who live in UK, those who live in US. We don't get those standards, so be careful when upgrading. And yeah, just wanted to let you know that be careful. Okay, and yeah, that's it in today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.